If you want to add multiple images in Squarespace quickly and make your page look more polished, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're building a portfolio, a service page, a blog post, or a product showcase, adding a batch of images at once can save you a ton of time and help your website look much more professional. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Squarespace page editor and go to the spot on the page where you want your photos to appear. This is important because Squarespace will place the new image section exactly where you add it, so take a second to choose the best location for your content. Once you're in the right place, click Add Section. This will open the section library, where Squarespace gives you different content blocks and layout options. Now, from the left-hand category menu, select Images or Gallery. These are the options designed specifically for displaying multiple photos, and choosing the right one depends on the style you want for your page. If you want a clean and structured look, a grid works really well. If you want something more dynamic, a carousel or slideshow can be a better choice. And if you want a more modern editorial style, masonry is often a great option. Go ahead and choose the layout style that best fits your design. After that, Squarespace will insert the new section onto your page. At this point, look for the Edit Gallery button in the top right corner of the section. It usually appears as a picture icon, and this is where you'll manage the actual image upload. Click that icon to open the gallery editor. Now you'll see the upload window, and this is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop a batch of image files directly from your computer into the upload area, which is often the fastest method if you already have all your images ready. If you prefer, you can also click the plus icon to manually upload the files from your device. Either method works, so use whichever feels easier for you. As the images upload, Squarespace will add them into the gallery automatically. Once all of your images are uploaded, you can click and drag the thumbnails to reorder them instantly. This is super useful if you want to control the flow of your visual story, put your best image first, or organize the gallery in a specific sequence. Take a moment to check the arrangement and make sure everything looks the way you want it to look. If needed, you can always go back and swap the order again until it feels right. After that, don't forget to save your changes and preview the page on desktop and mobile so you can see how your image section appears across different screen sizes. That little extra check can make a big difference in how professional your site feels. And that's it. You've now added multiple images in Squarespace and arranged them exactly how you want. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.